is FITA, the Foundation for Information Technology Accessibility. But let's find out more what FITA has to offer to our community, particularly to disabled individuals and senior citizens. This is by empowering independent living and assistive technology through ICT. FITA's primary focus is the auditing and certification of websites and apps, ensuring effective access to people with various impairments, benefiting a wider audience. The service also includes helping clients in adhering to EU web accessibility directives through further monitoring. The Independent Living Hub is a centralized platform which showcases various AI and high-tech devices. At FITA, we aim to enhance the quality of life through accessibility and integrated solutions. The hub at the FITA offices is a walkthrough experience which showcases an array of devices. The main goal is to help senior citizens and disabled individuals become more and more independent in their home environment, no matter their limitations, by making it more accessible. We believe in smart fun for everyone. At FITA, we're dedicated to supporting young children who are visually impaired through innovative learning tools. Our Braille and 3D printing initiative introduces multi-story books that combine Braille text with 3D printed diagrams to enhance tactile experiences. These user-friendly tactile systems assisted with literacy development, improve cognitive engagement, and open doors to artistic and creative expression. By fostering inclusion and promoting independence, we help every child explore their world with confidence, no matter their visual limitations. The sky is the limit for FITA. Communication is very important to us. This is our podcast room, where we communicate directly with our community through an on-demand video and audio sessions. These are aired on our social media platform. These sessions give FITA clients the chance to voice their needs and experiences with experts, ensuring their voices are heard. We're constantly adapting and creating changes to make a better life for everyone. Our goal is to reduce isolation, provide emotional comfort, and amplify the voices of those who are often unheard, fostering a space where shared experiences lead to a meaningful change. The ongoing research and innovation through developing technology is vital for FITA to continue providing assistance to the vulnerable in a never-changing world. Our team is highly dedicated in creating more inclusive digital experiences through tailored programs and impactful solutions that empower individuals, reduce barriers, and promote inclusivity, making a meaningful difference in many lives. We respect the impact technology can have on improving lives. At FITA, we assist clients with various impairments by testing and recommending electronic devices that enhance accessibility, interaction, and communication. Our services include support for learning and education, as well as augmentative and alternative communication devices, wearable technology, and magnification devices. Our goal is to encourage individuals by providing them with the tools they need to thrive in their everyday lives. We are committed to promoting digital inclusion through free outreach and training. At FITA, we offer courses at our offices and group training sessions at local councils or care homes to help clients navigate applications ranging from social media to emails and online services. With on-site training and one-to-one sessions by appointment, we provide a supportive learning environment that empowers individuals to enhance their digital skills and connect with the rest of the world around them.
FITA. Our services are for nobody but you.